Hello everyone, Shane here from RepairDesk. In this video, we'll learn how to set up and issue store credits. If you're using RepairDesk Enterprise version, head over to your store settings, select Store Credits, and click on the Enable Store Credits button. If you would like to add store credits against a customer profile, for example, please head over to the point of sale. From this window, you can search a profile by entering the name or the phone number. Select the customer profile and then click on the plus sign right next to the store credits, which will open up a pop-up window. From here, simply enter the amount along with the reason. While doing a refund, a merchant will now have two options: refund the customer amount they paid, or issue store credit for the value of the returned item. To issue store credit to your customers as part of a refund, from the point of sale, click on the View Invoices button in the POS, which will open up a pop-up window. From this window, click on Refund for your chosen invoice, which will add the items to the shopping cart. Now click on the Checkout button, and from the payment screen, select Store Credits, enter the amount you would like to issue as a store credit with a negative sign, and click on Confirm to add the entire amount to your customer profile as store credits. Another use case of store credits is while buying a handset from a customer rather than paying cash, you can offer them store credits. To do so, click on Inventory, Manage Inventory, and the plus sign right next to Trade-In, which will open a new window. From this screen, enter customer details, add item details, and click on the Purchase button. Enter the amount and click on Confirm to add the store credits to the customer's profile. When the customer wants to use their credit, add the customer to a sale, add products, and click on the Checkout button. On the payment screen, select Store Credits as the payment method. Then enter the amount and click Confirm to complete the transaction. If you would like to see store credits transaction history, please head over to the reports and click on Credits Report. Store credit is a lot more than just another way for customers to pay. It is a tool you can use to help grow customer retention and increase sales. If you would like to learn more, please check out our knowledge base, or if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with our support team. Thanks for watching and have a great day.